Yo, what's up, YouTube? Yo, is that Donnie? And we're here today with a game called Fears to Fathom Home Alone Edition. What? Anyways, you already know what time it is. We're gonna be doing this episode. Hopefully, we don't have any more episodes if you dig what I'm digging, but we're just gonna get right into the video. And of course, we already got more episodes. We're just gonna go home alone. We're gonna speed run this game respectfully, respectably, and respectably. Alright, cool. You already know. It's time to get busy. We're gonna get straight into it. This action is going to be actionable. If you're digging what I'm digging. It was the middle of the summer. My parents had left for the weekend due to a work trip. Which meant I was all by myself for the weekend. Also, I feel like I do not have to mention that my sleep schedule was very messed up around this time. I would sleep and get up at just about any time of the day. Though, I did plan on fixing that. Okay. Alright. Turn that junk off. Okay, woke up around 8 for a nap in the evening? Okay, you got it. Oh, these graphics. I guess this is a horror game. Yeah. Guess it's a horror game. Oh, alright. Getting down. Did that. I did have some homework, but I was too hungry to do. Okay. I was too hungry for sure. Let's go get us something to eat. Ishery. Ooh, mom. Ooh, hold on. Got us a little MacBook. Alright. Okay. No need to order anything. I already made you lasagna this morning. Check the fridge. Call Josh too. I can't promise, dude. We have plans with that. Okay. Alright, let's go check that fridge, baby. Come down these steps, baby. What do I need a crouch for? The game just started. Alright, you know, whatever. Let me get some grub. Food is cold. Alright, put that junk in the microwave? Do they not got a microwave? The food is cold. Okay. Put him there. Sure. For sure. Close that. Cooking up some grub if you do. Ding! Oh, nah. That's looking dope. I'm not gonna hold it. Alright. Thinking lasagna doesn't make that. Okay. For sure. Food nice and hot. Watch TV while I eat. For surely. Is there a sprint? Yes, there is a sprint. Bet. Let's sit down. I like watching TV while I eat. You're so picky. Alright, turn that junk on. For sure. Sit down. Finna start get to grubbing. Ugh. Eat some more. Whoa, yo! It's alright. It's alright. It's probably just a let me eat my food. Feel very sleepy after getting eat, bro. You throw that. Okay. Okay. Yo, y'all, I know y'all seen that man walk upstairs. Mason Tolliver. There's someone definitely in my house. All right, we're gonna have to call it off, man. Something just came up, but you gotta come to Jessica's tomorrow. All right, for sure. Of course, you know what I'm saying. Your boy probably got a little date. Your boy finna spit that Riz. It's finna be absolutely stunning. There's someone walked up here. I'm sorry, Miles. Gotta see you tomorrow. Alright, that's cool, bro. I don't care. Get in my room, close the door, and go sleepy. Nah. Had to go. Okay, of course you had to go to do homework. I'm guessing I'm in college. Let me do this work of homes. Alright, this man has been doing homework for hours, but it's cool. It's cool. In about a few hours. Alright. Looking outside. Pretty much coolin'. Alright, coolin'. Mom texted. Don't let it stay up too late, you kids. Kids? Okay, it's just me, but you got it. Shouldn't get to hear this from Miss Paul this time. Alright, for sure. Don't have to go to bed. Let's go sleepy. Night. Okay, I don't know what that beating is in the background. 116. Got up to get some water. Okay. This what it looks like at 1:16 a.m. Whoa. It's cool. Cause you know me personally, I'm really Hematron. So your boy ain't scared of nothing. Check if anybody's outside. Ain't nobody outside. I'm good. Let me go get some water. What's that? Guessing gotta get a glass. I just seen that. You know what up? Oh. Throw that junk in my face. And so I did. Alright. This is a story for sure. Alright. Don't know what's supposed to happen. Guess I'm gonna go back to sleepy night. Cause it's my bedtime. Alright. I'm gonna leave. Okay. Mom sent me an image. You there? I ain't checking the front door. I'm going to... Let me hide under the bed. No. Hold on. Someone's in my house. I don't know why I'm whispering, because like it's not like they can hear me. I'm not getting out. Whoa. Bro is dead outside of my house. Wait, you can hear him walking. Bro. Don't do this to me. What? Do I get out? I'm pressing every key on my keyboard. Hit the enter key. Ain't nothing happening. You there? Oh, wait. We can't text people back. Nah, cut. You should. Oh, you should come slide for... Oh. Never mind. You can't text nobody. Alright. I'm finna read these text messages real quick. And go. Wait, what if we could see him out here? Okay, we can't. Whoa. There's people dead outside my house? You know what? Let me take a step back. Paula sent me it. It says he's been creeping through the windows, recalling the cops. Kills like every door, hiding in your room, dancing. Oh, go. Go. That's exactly what I'm doing. Let me get in the crib, close my door, and hide. If you really think I'm going to the front door, you're funny. It's okay. Gonna pass some time. No, whoa. Okay. Yep. Staying here. Send her to bed, bro. I'm not opening. What? Did you just break my window and you rung the doorbell? All right, bro. Definitely got 0.5 IQ. Dude is more. Brody is more stubborn. It's Paula at the door. Oh, mom. All right, it's Paula. All right, Paula. I'm coming. Dang. Yo. You know what? It's cool. Go downstairs. Go downstairs. Yo, I'm about to play Fortnite.